Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture video on the cloud research of MapReduce paradigm and programming model used in the cloud computing. We start with what is MapReduce. In this lecture video, we are going to discuss how the MapReduce and other tool helping in the cloud computing. So client to master in the picture, we can able to see how the in the MapReduce introduction part here. So let's recall the previous prerequisites and we have learned basic things about this. So let's recall with a peer-to-peer system. What is peer-to-peer system? And Apache Cassandra and Apache HBase. So these Cassandra and HBase used in the cloud computing for the balanced data integrity with the data system with uptime. For example, we have the different data is collected. So there might be a balanced data and integrity. So that should be maintained by the Apache Cassandra tool. So the next is Apache HBase is a very popular tool using in the cloud computing other database technologies or data analytical tools. So prioritize data integrity and reliability. So peer-to-peer system helping the favors uptime and responsiveness over immediate accuracy. So balancing consistency and availability in distributed system. So consistency versus availability. So this is about the peer-to-peer system and Apache Cassandra and Apache HBase. So favors uptime and responsiveness over immediate accuracy. So today's topic we have the discussion about the data explosion, how the clicks, swipes and sensors, MapReduce, what is the MapReduce definition and importance we are going to discuss, and also we have the power distribution system in the MapReduce, and also we have the MapReduce programming models. So let's start with here in this picture we can see at the year of zettabytes. In the x-axis denotes zettabytes and the y-axis denotes the year from 2010 to 2025. How the every click, swipe and sensors added to the data storm. For in the IT world, data world, AI world, we have every clicks will be censored and added to each and every click will be a data to the online mode or whenever we are using. From the year of 2010, at the year of 10 we have the zettabytes will be a very minimal 0 to 20. At the year of 2011, 12 and 15 it rise to 20 gigabytes, and to the year of 20 we can rise to up to 50 or 60. At the year of 2023 we reach 100 gigabytes zettabytes. So in the year of 2025 we can able to see in the screen. So that is the 175 gigabytes where increased annual size of the global data sphere. So in this will helps in the. So let's start with the definition of MapReduce. MapReduce is a framework. It is a main concept is dividing the large processing task into a smaller task. So in the parallel occurs multiple system and then combines reduce the result in a single unit. So mapper will have the block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. So map will be combined and shuffle and sort and it will reduce and output. So combiner, shuffle and sort and reduce. These thing will happens. So it is about the MapReduce introduction part here. So we are studying programming model MapReduce hierarchy. So framework, role and user functions, data structures and other values we are using here. So MapReduce process hierarchy will plays a vital role in the today's era. So in that we have the program map phase is a mapper. So MapReduce funnel inputs in the picture we can see that. So file divided into smaller chunks. MapReduce concept is dividing the large units into simple units, and the problem will be solved and finally we get the solutions, right? So in that we having the MapReduce mapper. So it will place an input split, mapping, map function and intermediate cap as it's a MapReduce process funnel. And also we have shuffle and reduce phases. The shuffle and reduce phase is a grouping, kind of grouping, sorting and transferring, and shuffle and reducing, it will reduce the large into a small things. So MapReduce will doing the methods first grouping, sorting, transfer and reduce and function. Combiner lastly optimal local reducers and networks combined into the reduce optimize network transfer. So let's start with the map reducer example. For example, hello world we are typing as input data, hello map reduce. Then map reduce phase will have hello as a first word and world as a one and hello as a one, hello map reduce one. It will be shuffled and sort phase. Hello is a 1 comma 1 is a first keyword, it will taken here. Then second it will have the word map reduce the one. The shuffle and sort will help to reduce phase. Hello 2 and world on map reduce. This will map reduce example. In this example we can have the powerful yet limited. So batch processing and also ideate ideal for large environment and overnights. So real time streaming and also helping in the sustainable and immediate analysis. So let's have a small activity here. So how the MapReduce could speak, and also how what challenges would it share. So then next we have the summarizing these kind of MapReduce problems. Let's start with the MapReduce programming model. So we have the definition and importance, programming models we have discussed, and what are the roles in distributed computing, and also the different context, right? So in that we have the input data will be example given as that, and the mapper will reduce the map phase. It will split the huge values into small, and shuffle and sort phase will helping to reduce the unwanted data privacy and data security, and also the time taken to complete the task will be reduced. And the reduce phase, this kind of things is a process of map reduce. So assessment puzzle we are going to see in this the tool you must split into data into key values. So these are about the map reduce puzzle and references we are discussed in this topic here. So thanks for watching this video, and we hope we learned basic things of MapReduce and how these kind of tools helping in the cloud computing. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.